In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks on the Robinhood website. Whether you're just getting started with investing or you've used other trading platforms before, following these steps will help you feel confident as you purchase stocks through Robinhood's user-friendly online platform. Let's start by logging into your Robinhood account. Head over to the Robinhood website using your preferred web browser. At the login screen, enter your credentials and securely access your account. It's always important to ensure that you're on the official Robinhood website to keep your account information safe. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. This is where you can look up any stock available on Robinhood. Simply type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to purchase, and a list of matching options will appear. Select the stock you're interested in to proceed. After clicking on the stock, you'll be taken to its details page. Here, you'll see lots of useful information about the stock, such as its recent price changes, charts, company news, and statistics. Take a moment to review this information to make sure it's the right choice for you. Next, look for the trade button, often found on the right side of the screen. Click on it and then select Buy from the available options. This action will bring up the order entry panel, where you can specify how much of the stock you'd like to purchase. Now, you'll need to enter the amount you want to buy. Robinhood allows you to buy stocks either by dollar amount or by the number of shares. Choose the method that fits your investment strategy and type in the desired amount or number of shares. Make sure the details match your intentions, as entering the wrong value can lead to unintended purchases. Before moving forward, take a careful look at your order summary. Here, you'll see the price per share, the total amount of your purchase, and any other essential details about your order. It's a great opportunity to double-check everything to ensure your order is accurate. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on the review button. This will present you with a final overview of your purchase, making sure you have one last chance to catch any mistakes. When you're sure you're ready, click Submit to place your order. Robinhood will process your request, and once it's completed, you'll own shares of that stock in your portfolio. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently buy stocks on Robinhood's website. Always remember to do your own research before investing and stay aware of your finances as you build your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your investing journey just a little bit easier.